towards education and reap the fruits of your labor. Let us move on to the awarding of the Academic Excellence Awardees. May I request the parents of the awardees to please stand beside your child. The honor pupils will be awarded by our Public Schools District Supervisor of North District 7, Mrs. Roquesa B. Sabihon, to be assisted by our OIC School Head, Mrs. Pilar P. Ramirez, and our GPTA Vice President, Mrs. Joy Lagao. Grade 6 Special Science Class Academic Excellence Awardees. Pepito Zea Libres with highest honors. Patigayon Nea Pauline Paulo with high honors. Bulao Carolina Raquel Bagi with high honors. Escara John Martin Taligner with high honors. Arce Lorea Abarca with high honors. Libre Mar Curzon Lumungon with high honors. Manlacat Gian Vince Ramos with high honors.
Pepito Jaya Lapres, Soledad Dennis Jane Tabal, and Suto Mary Denise Mimia Chenes. Pinopia Stacy Abarca, Olores Princess May Malasarte, Pantigayon Nia Pauline Paulo, Pepito Jaya Lapres, Soledad Dennis Jane Cabal, and Sutu Mary Benice Mimia Chenes.
Grade 6 Malabe, please rise.